Mini Coleman on the trails. I got the modified exhaust from OMB Power Sports. Got the aftermarket intake filter. Got my hour meter, RPM, GPS. Got the silencer exhaust. Still loud. Made my own bag mount. This baby rocks. It climbs like nothing. I'm really impressed with this. The only thing I've done to the engine is I put 18-pound valve springs in it. And I modified the governor. I didn't remove it yet. So I'm max RPM about 4,200. But I think my average is 35. I mean, it'll do 40 on the straights, but I don't do 40 out here. It's, you know, it's nice trail riding. All right, this is the Coleman B200R. I got it at Tractor Supply. It was $5.99 stock on sale. You can do these mods. Oh yeah, and I got the belt drive CVT behind that cover. And in doing that, I had to increase the chain. I had to get a new chain of 55 links. And I had to modify the chain bracket. It was below the tab there. Now I got it on top. And I 3D printed my B200R bike name on there, you know. All right, well, it's looking good so far. First ride. Thank you for watching.